This is the article about the land of fire and ice. Never mind its chilly name. As a travel destination, Iceland is hot. With the Atlantic Ocean to its south and the Greenland Sea to its north, Iceland is Europe's westernmost country with the world's most northerly capital city, Reykjavik. Viking explorers migrated to Iceland from northern Europe in 930 AD, when they established the world's first parliament. The country's national language can still be traced to the one spoken by the Vikings over 1,000 years ago. Today, Iceland has a population of just over 310,000 spread over 100,000 square kilometers, about 40,000 square miles. Despite its small size, there are many reasons to visit this remarkable country. City of Culture. Most visitors' first port of call is Reykjavik, a small and a clean city known for its colorful and stylish architecture. The city's downtown area is lined with shops, art galleries, cafes, and bookstores. In 2000, Reykjavik was awarded the title of Europe's City of Culture, thanks to its art and museum scenes and lively nightlife. The good news for visitors is that Iceland's temperature is fairly mild. Even in the winter, when they stay at around 4 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter months, nights are long and the northern lights became visible, lighting up the night sky with a spectacular natural display. In summer, the country gets almost 22 hours of daylight, and native Icelanders and visitors alike enjoy partying outdoors until dawn. Hot springs. Iceland is one of the most volcanically active nations in the world, and there are a number of thermal hot water springs around the island. All are heated naturally by the underground volcanic activity. In fact, Iceland converts energy generated by these springs into electricity, which powers and heats people's homes and businesses. As a result, Iceland burns very little fossil fuels such as oil and gas and has some of the cleanest air in the world. One of the Iceland's most popular hot springs is the Blue Lagoon, a huge lake of bright blue seawater just outside Reykjavik, surrounded by volcanoes and lava fields. The Blue Lagoon receives more than 300,000 visitors a year. After a long day sightseeing or a long night for partying, visitors can relax their muscles and release their tension in the lagoon's steaming hot water, which has an average temperature of about 30 degrees, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Some believe the waters are able to cure certain illness and improve skin quality. Cave and monster. Most of the inner part of Iceland is uninhabited and accessible only by track or other vehicle. Nevertheless, there is a range of outdoor activity to enjoy elsewhere in the country, particularly along the coast. Iceland is an adventure, said Sol Square, whose Icelandic company organizes adventure trips around the country. We have Europe's biggest glaciers, active volcanoes, cave exploration, and skiing. One of Iceland's most popular attractions is caving. Exploring Iceland's unusual lava caves, most of which formed more than 10,000 years ago, requires only basic caving knowledge and equipment. Ice caves, however, are more challenging and require special clothes and hiking tools. The best known ice caves are in Vatnajökull, a layer of ice which at 8,000 square kilometers, 3,000 square miles, is Iceland's and Europe's largest glacier. It also happens to be situated just above an active volcano. This is a picture of a lonely house stands on the shore of History Island. If exploring caves and glaciers doesn't interest you, head south, just outside the town of Vic, to check out the huge rock formation that were once believed to be monsters turned into stone. These are a dramatic part of the scenery on one of Iceland's most significant black sand beaches, the Golden Circle. And finally, no trip to Iceland would be complete without a visit to a Golden Circle. Northeast to Reykjavik that connects Goðafoss, a huge golden waterfall, the hot spring regions of Geyser, and Thingvellir National Park. The Mid-Atlantic Fault that runs through Iceland is literally pulling the island apart. Now, nowhere is this more evident than in Thingvellir Valley, where the land is actually separating and the stony ground beneath your feet frequently shifts. Hold on while you hide.